Today, I'll show you how to add the RGB Glitch transition, a sharp digital distortion that gives your videos a cool, modern glitch vibe. Let's dive in. Start by adding two clips side by side on your timeline. Next, tap the white transition box that appears between the two clips. This opens up the transition library. Head over to the Light Effects tab. Now, scroll and look for RGB Glitch. This one creates a split color distortion between the clips, perfect for glitchy edits, tech-inspired videos, or music reels. Once selected, you'll see a duration slider at the bottom. Slide it to make the transition quick or more drawn out, depending on your edit style. When you're happy with it, tap the checkmark to apply. And just like that, your video now has a dynamic RGB glitch transition. If you like this effect, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick CapCut tricks.